the SEO Marketing Tools channel. Don't forget to subscribe and give a like if the video was helpful. We've left the link to this service in the description. In traffic arbitrage and SEO, the winner is the one who scales faster. But we all face the same pains, endless content needs for websites, blogs, and landing pages. Copywriters are expensive, freelancers miss deadlines, and uniqueness plus SEO quality often suffer. Today, I'll introduce you to a service that solves these problems once and for all. And by the end of this review, you'll see why, compared to competitors, it looks like the only real option. Let's be honest, mass-producing content for site networks or PBNs is exhausting. Without uniqueness and SEO optimization, traffic simply won't come. Budgets for writers and editors keep growing, while results don't always justify the spend. And the biggest pain, speed. While you're waiting for content, competitors are already ranking. This is exactly where this service steps in, closing all these gaps in one platform. What the service can do. Generate long-form articles more than 1,000 words, expert reviews, guides, recommendations, SEO optimization built-in keyword research, competitor analysis, fact-checking, author agents, and create a virtual writer trained to match your team's style. Multilingual support, over 120 languages, including local dialects. Perfect for arbitrage in multiple countries. Landing page generation, launch pages quickly with ready-made templates. Team collaboration, shared token balance for the whole crew. This isn't just a text generator. It's a full-scale content conveyor belt that runs 24/7. Deep research engine. AI searches Google, Bing, Yahoo, Reddit plus 11 more sources. Builds knowledge base with verified facts. Custom brand voice. Train AI on your content. Maintain consistent tone everywhere. Audience precision. Define pain points and triggers. Content tailored to demographics. Native quality content. Expand globally without translators. Native quality content. AI hallucination problems in content generation have damaged countless brands with fabricated statistics, invented quotes, and false claims. Traditional AI writing tools generate content directly from their training data, often creating plausible sounding but completely incorrect information. This fundamental flaw makes them unsuitable for professional content marketing, where accuracy and credibility are paramount. Knowledge-based systems prevent factual errors by separating research from generation. Instead of asking AI to write about a topic it may not fully understand, you first build a verified knowledge base of facts, data, and sources. The AI then creates content exclusively from this approved knowledge, eliminating the risk of hallucinations. The importance of verified sources in content creation cannot be overstated. Search engines increasingly prioritize content backed by authoritative sources and factual accuracy. Content with fabricated information not only damages brand credibility, but can also result in search ranking penalties. Research-based AI writing ensures every claim can be traced back to a legitimate source. Zettelkasten methodology for organizing research provides a structured approach to knowledge management. This note-taking system creates interconnected notes that capture relationships between ideas, making it easier to understand complex topics and generate comprehensive content. The human-in-the-loop approval before generation ensures quality control. You review and approve the knowledge base before any content is created, maintaining complete control over accuracy, your brand voice, your audience, your way. Train AI to sound exactly like you and write for exactly who you need to reach. The importance of brand voice consistency in content marketing extends far beyond aesthetic preferences. Your brand voice is how customers recognize and connect with your company across every touchpoint. When scaling content production, maintaining this consistency becomes exponentially more challenging, unless you have AI that can learn and replicate your unique style. How AI can learn writing styles through training data represents a breakthrough in content automation. By analyzing your existing content, the AI identifies patterns in sentence structure, vocabulary choices, tone, and rhetorical devices. This deep learning goes beyond simple keyword matching to capture the subtle nuances that make your brand voice distinctive. Benefits of audience segmentation for content performance are well documented in marketing research. Content tailored to specific audience segments consistently outperforms generic messaging. The connection between targeted content and conversion rates is direct. When readers feel content speaks directly to their situation, pain points, and goals, they engage more deeply and convert at higher rates. Maintaining brand identity while scaling content production has traditionally required extensive editorial oversight and style guide enforcement. With AI trained on your brand voice and configured for your audience segments, you can scale to thousands of pieces while maintaining the same consistency as if a single writer created everything. Content personalization AI enables this scale without sacrificing the human touch that makes content resonate. AI author training. Upload your existing content and AI learns your unique style, tone, and vocabulary. Create multiple author profiles for different content types or brand voices. Analyze writing style and patterns. Extract brand-specific terminology. Maintain consistency across unlimited content. Multiple author profiles. Continuous learning from feedback. Audience targeting. Define detailed audience segments with demographics, pain points, goals, and emotional triggers. AI tailors every piece of content to speak directly to each segment. Demographic profiling. Pain point mapping. Goal and motivation tracking. Trigger identification. Unlimited audience segments. For arbitrage specialists and SEO teams, this means mass content creation for site networks without duplicate penalties. Fast entry into new geos, Spanish, German, Polish, Turkish, no need to hire translators. Budget savings, one tool replaces writers, editors, and routine SEO tasks. Niche testing, in a single day you can fill a site with dozens of articles and see if traffic flows. Smart volume pricing. As your content volume increases, your costs per piece decrease automatically. Our tiered pricing rewards businesses that scale their content production. How volume discounts work. Our pricing automatically adjusts based on your monthly usage. Higher volume means lower per token costs, with discounts reaching up to 60% off the base rate for enterprise-level content production. Whether you're creating 10 articles or 10,000 product descriptions, you'll always get the best rate for your volume tier. No negotiations, no contracts, just automatic savings as you scale. Start with a free trial. Experience the full power of our platform with no credit card required. Generate real content, test all features, and validate ROI for your specific use case before making any commitment. Compared to competitors, Jasper.ai, powerful but pricey and lacks deep SEO optimization. Copy.ai, fine for short texts, but not for long SEO articles. WriteSonic has an SEO mode, but limited multilingual support. This service wins exactly where arbitrage and SEO teams need it most: speed, SEO-focused multilingual capability. If you work in arbitrage or SEO, you know, time is money. It removes the content headache, lets you scale without limits, and makes your team dramatically more efficient. Against competitors, it truly is the only alternative. Try it yourself and see how content can finally work for you, not the other way around. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and follow the link in the description to try out this service. Subscribe and give a like if the video was helpful to you.